Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everyone, congrats to the bulls. Yesterday the Bank of Japan had the set, and today the Fed had the spike. Gold bulls, gold miner bulls, all in full control. So the daily time frame, bulls showed up the past couple of days. We started to form some higher lows. We broke the lower low pattern. We had seen lower lows 7 days in a row. We broke it, started the higher lows, and then a big time bull move in reaction to the Fed and the BOJ last night. Weekly time frame, we're holding the middle Bollinger Band weekly of 1314, but the 10-week moving average resistance has rejected the price 2 weeks in a row. The bulls need to close over 1334.38 by the end of the day Friday. That is a very key resistance level, and if they do, we're looking up at 1357.60 as the next resistance. So let's check out gold on the 5-minute time frame. We're hovering right below the high of the day. We're looking at 1339.15, 1338.25, and the bulls are going to attempt to get over that level. Hourly, very strong move. We are overbought. The RSI is up in the mid-70s. Let's check that 4-hour RSI. It too is above 70. Big, strong move, so we likely need some consolidation. I'm watching this downtrend resistance line on the daily, and that's just above 1440. We've got a bullish MACD cross. And we need to see this downtrend break. Ideally, we need to see the bulls break 1350.50 and start heading to higher highs. And looking at silver, it too is right at that downtrend resistance line on the daily. It is literally right there, so closer than gold is. And we'll see if silver gets rejected or is able to break through that level. The dollar has had a pretty inverse correlation with the miners. And looking at the hourly today, let's actually look at the 5-minute time frame. If you were watching the 5-minute time frame after the Fed, this gold and dollar charts are pretty much inverse of each other. So definitely keeping an eye on the dollar when watching gold. This dollar uptrend line is currently being lost on the hourly. That's a rough drawing there. I'll fix that up for next video. But let's now look at some miners because that's where the action was. First, we'll look on the daily, and then we'll look at some 5-minute trading opportunities. So very clear bullish break. I've been pointing out the lower high 10 days in a row on JNUG. That broke. We had decreasing volume on that pattern. Huge volume spike, bullish MACD cross, break of the pattern. Target of 50-day moving average resistance, 24.75. So the bulls are in control, NUGT as well. And if you've been noticing in these videos, I've gotten some comments where people want me to just pick a direction. I haven't been showing the bear miner charts in these videos. I've been checking in on the bull miners every time. So there's little clues in here. I'm not going to say buy now, sell now. That's not what I'm here to do. But I wasn't watching the bear miners. I was watching the bull miners. So looking at NUGT, same thing. Getting above key resistance levels. 23.98 is the 100-day moving average resistance to be watching. That's going to be the test for NUGT coming up. And let's now look at the 5-minute chart with all this Fed action. We've got the clear bull break on the Fed action, and then we pulled back, but we didn't even touch the 20-period moving average support on the 5-minute at any point after that break. So we had our bounce, our higher low, our lower high, higher low. Right here, this candlestick was the bull break. That broke the lower high pattern of 2134. You could have made a bullish entry right away and had some nice gains, or you could have been patient. You could have waited an hour after things settled down, made an entry on 2134 break. Let's say you get in at 2140, and at the end of the day, we're up to 2250. You just made 4% plus in an hour and a half, or even an hour, less than an hour. Trading opportunity abound, tons of volatility. Gold miners closing very strong. We'll see if gold continues to set some higher highs overnight. They certainly have momentum at their backs, and it definitely helps when we have the market going bullish and gold going bullish at the same time. These miners explode in whichever direction it occurs. So I appreciate you watching. I love all the likes and the shares. It definitely helps us out. Mutually beneficial relationship appreciated. Thanks for watching. Come check out the chat room. We were live all day today during the Fed reaction. Have a great night.